Hey guys, so for the create a restaurant or fitness facility assignment, I chose to do more of a restaurant, but specifically focus on a bakery. So if I owned a bakery, I would definitely call it Sweet Coma Bakery. And then my slogan would be So Sweet It's to Die For. And what I would want to do with that bakery, I definitely want it to have all kinds of family recipes. It'd be centered around that. So I'd use a lot of the recipes like I kind of grew up on that my mom or my grandmother made and include that into the business. And then I would include a limited coffee menu. So I would offer probably the most basic things as far as coffee is concerned. I wouldn't do all the fancy drinks you can get at like Starbucks. But for the main menu, I'd probably have a wide range of desserts and pastries. I'd go anywhere from cakes, cupcakes, cookies, so much more, further into like scones and croissants, really anything you can think of. I'd probably try to have a wide menu so that way there's plenty to pick from. As far as like the decor and the way I'd probably want to see it, I would probably have like bright colored walls and chandeliers, and I definitely want to have a lot of like cases where they're glass and you can easily see what's there and show the customer what we offer. And then, of course, it had to be clean and plenty of tables because I want to attract whoever walking by. They can come in, sit down, and eat what they want and enjoy it. I'd put it in Boone. I would put it probably where Noble Kava is. I put it there mainly because it's close to campus, and also it would attract the students. It's very close in walking distance, and I personally feel like it's not hard to get in and out of. So I definitely think there would be an attraction to that. But yeah, as far as the menu is concerned, definitely focus on a wide range of things and coffee. So I think that's it. Thanks, guys.